28. Therefore, Mr. President, the Commission on Appointments must be constituted not later than August 27. And that's next week, Mr. President, and we still have to issue notices, etc. Now, Mr. President, on the statements, and I sincerely respect our former Senate President, Mig Zubiri. Mr. President, let me just point out, Mr. President, no one's robbing of anything because we're doing this on the basis of the Supreme Court decisions, Mr. President. Mr. President, and if I may again, Mr. President, it is submitted, if the tradition, Mr. President, the concern here now, Mr. President, is can tradition on informal agreements between senators be cited in determining how many members from the majority and the minority blocks will be represented in the CA? Mr. President, again, this representation submits that we stick to the established mathematical formula and the use of Supreme Court decisions as guidance, Mr. President. Kaya po nagbigay sila ng desisyon so that we can be guided accordingly in determining the proportional representation in the CA. In the SC resolution, again, Mr. President, on Gingona versus Gonzales, the court said, no practice or tradition established by a mere tolerance can, without judicial acquiescence, ripen into a doctrine of practical construction of the fundamental law. In the same decision, Mr. President, in the Gingona resolution, it also states, who decides the question of proportionality, Mr. President? Who decides? The power to choose who among them will sit as members of the Commission on Appointments belong to the Senate, Mr. President. And that's why, Mr. President, even this representation who made that motion will submit to the decision of every member of the Senate. And furthermore, Mr. President, in the Coseteng versus Mitra, the Supreme Court again pointed out the other political parties or groups, and I quote, other political parties or groups in the House, such as petitioners, kaiba, which is presumably the member also with the coalition majority. Ang sabi po ng Supreme Court, are bound by the majority's choices. Mr. President, last but not the least, as much as we wanted to entertain the idea of coin tossing, Mr. President. My sister won in the mayoralty election in Bukawi by coin toss, Mr. President. But we have no precedence on this matter, Mr. President. And again, let me submit for the record that the Supreme Court provided us guidelines with all due respect to our colleagues, especially in the minority. Thank you, Mr. President.
The minority leaders.
Yes,
Nice.
thank you, Mr. President. The Gingona versus Gonzales issue should be the prevailing, not the Mitra or Coseteng versus Mitra, as mentioned earlier by the majority leader. The interpretation of Constitution Article 6, Section 1, Section 18 is very clear. Basis of proportional representation from political parties and party organizations. Ang linaw nun eh. Walang sinasabi itong majority and minority.
Mr. President, if I may, I believe
The
the
majority
party,
leader
the
is
party organization is the minority and the majority. And I submit again, Mr. President, hindi po ako magmamagaling-galingan or magsasabing eksperto dito, but nais ko, Mr. President, na isubmit itong aking posisyon sa body, Mr. President, at maging sa mga kasama natin dito sa bulwagang ito, Mr. President.
Mr. President, di ko pwedeng sabihin yung laman ng Constitution ng parties, organizations, meaning majority and minority. That is a very poor interpretation, Mr. President. Ang linaw eh. The basis of proportional representation from the political parties and parties or organizations registered under the party list system represented therein. Hindi ko makikita yung majority-minority doon, Mr. President. So I think kung sa mga simple membership ng mga committee, kinukonsulta members ng minority, kinukonsulta bawat member sila, bakit hindi sa napaka-importanting body like the Commission on Appointments? But hindi makakonsulta? The President pro tempore was talking to us about it just a few minutes ago. That's the point, Mr. President. Bakit ganito? But then again, that is my appeal. And if it doesn't work,
Mr. President, I submit, Mr. President, I think we have been debating on this, Mr. President. Again, that is the position of this representation, and we submit it, Mr. President.
Before acting on the motion of the majority leader duly objected to by the distinguished minority floor leader, Chair would like to state for the record that neither the majority nor the minority has a monopoly of interpreting what the Supreme Court said in regard to the Supreme Court decision on the composition of the Commission on Appointments. In fact, that is the reason why in no less than 8 occasions, cases were brought before the Supreme Court precisely on the composition of the Commission on Appointments, beginning as early as 1951, the latest being in 2009. And the Senate that decides on these matters. Chair takes exception to the statement that this is being rammed because we debated on it, and when there is a motion duly objected to, our rules state very clearly that we should divide the House by acting on that clear difference in opinion with respect to matters that the Senate needs to act upon, specifically that we should constitute and organize the Commission on Appointments within 30 days after the organization of both the House and the Senate. That date lapsing on August 27, 2025.
Hindi naman, andun yung alternative formula which is majority-minority, okay. Pero we were expecting, the simple respect to the members of the minority na kinakausap naman kami. Hindi kami salimpusa dito. We can make this easy for you and we can make it also difficult for you. We leave it up to you, Mr. President. My objection stands. I don't think we should continue with the election until we have discussed this properly, Mr. President.
What
Mr.
does the
President, if I may,
leader
Mr.
say?
President, thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, God is my witness. And we have been talking to the members of the minority. The minority leader even mentioned that we were talking to him, Mr. President, and the members of the minority. Senator Mig Zubiri, Senator Lauren Legarda is also aware of this for quite some time before the lull, Mr. President, during the order of business. Our Senate President Pro Tem
0.5 seat. But we must at least recognize that the minority has the 0.5 seat. I mean, schematics lang yan eh. 0.4 yung sa majority, 0.6. Pero sa totoo yan, 0.5 yan, kalahati-kalahati yan, Mr. President. Because we share our seat with another member. That's how it is. That's the tradition. I know Senator Jinggoy is familiar with that. The Senate President is familiar with that. We just look for partners. In the time when I was Senate President, Your Honor, the Senate President, I gave my share actually to the Senate President, to Senator Chis Escudero, so that he'll have a full membership of the CA. Kasi kalahati ko siya. Wala akong kahati dahil ako yung presiding officer ng CA. So yung punto ko po dyan, Mr. President, kawawa naman yung 0.5 seat ng minority. 0.5 na lang nga, tatanggalin nyo pa at ibibigay nyo pa sa iba. Papayag kami na may kahati po kami sa minority, sa majority. Yung minority sana, pabigyan na makaupo din. Whether it's the first half or the second half of the 20th Congress. But that would have been the more ideal situation, Mr. President. Na kung gusto nyo, ako pumapayag nga ako, mag-toss coin na lang. Para sa ganun, sinong uupo sa majority, sinong uupo sa minority sa first half and second half. But really, hindi natin matanggal na meron talagang kahati kami doon sa posisyon na yan. Dati, nung panahon ni Senator, when I was Senate President, walang problema yung minority dahil dalawa lang po sila, Mr. President. So obviously, it was either Senator Coco or Senator Risa. Pero ito 5 po kami. So kung 5 po kami, that entitles us to about 2.5 seats in the CA. So yan lang pong apela natin, that by tradition, we don't have any problem like this because naghahanap po tayo na kahati. Kung wala po tayong kahati, di toss coin na lang po yung kalahati. Sinong upo muna at sinong upo huli. Pero you cannot rob us from that 0.5 right of us to be able to sit in the Commission on Appointments.
Mr. President.
Noted.
With the permission of the minority leader, I'm sorry I took his time.
The remarks of the gentleman is noted.
Mr. President.
The minority leaders are
We were expecting at least some kind of cooperation or acknowledgement of the members of the minority before the majority leader all of a sudden stands up. The members of the majority have been talking to us. nakikipag-usap. Kanina lang, kinausap kami ng President Pro Tem. Ngayon, biglang titindig itong majority leader na biglang he will be ramming down our throats. 10 members of the majority, all of a sudden. We're expecting more cooperation and more better treatment for the minority because we're trying to our best to treat you as well because we can make it harder for you if this is what you want. Kaya we were expecting, something better. Konting pakisamahan naman dito, it's been that way since before. Pero kung ganyan ang gagawin natin, kasi the other members of the majority should know that ano lang to it's a matter of party representation And if we do that, if we follow the party representation, simpleng-simple 6 NPCs, 3 upo, they decide sino 3. 2 po ang 5 ang Nationalista Party, 2.5. So may bakanting 0.5. Yung PDP laban 1 and 3. So 1.5. May isa at may bakanting 0.5. So pag pinagsama mo yun, 6 or 5. 6. And merong isang 0.5. And then there are 10 members who are either single members of the party or are independent. And in that case, 10 of them, 5 of them sits in the CA dapat.